Hi friends, namaste, very good morning all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are doing pretty good. Today, I'm going to give you a very important information about how to utilize these free resources given in our Cap Classes app. So this notification of ICI for this upcoming May examinations released yesterday. So because yesterday notification released, students started getting panic and they started, preparing the study plans or searching for study plans if at all any faculty can give. So as you know, for the last 2 years, every batch have been giving this study plans and free test series and all. Can you believe last 2-3 days there were more than 400 500 downloads of this Cap Classes app. So many students are asking, sir, I have downloaded the app, but I do not know how to access the free resources. So I told you that in the app you have free study materials, you have free integrated study plans, you have timetables, you have test series, you have question papers, you have answer papers, you have around 200 videos, you have MCQ tests, you have MCQ banks, you have assignments, everything free of cost. If you know how to utilize this app properly, trust me my dear friends, you will 100% pass the exam this time. So because I cannot individually tell every student on how to use this app and all, so I thought let me make some short video, not more than 5-10 minutes, so that student can easily understand how to use the app. So I am using my web version. You might be using your Android or iOS version. Okay, so this mobile app is available in both Android version and also it is available in iOS version. So whatever the mobile phone is, whatever the tab is, you will be able to use this. Okay, however, this some of the functions won't work in the web version of the Cap Classes app. Intentionally we have done that for security reasons. For security reasons, intentionally we have done that. So I suggest all of you to use this in mobile phone, whatever the mobile phone is. It won't consume more data also. It will be some 10 MB, 20 MB app. It will be very light app. So it won't consume any space also. And even after downloading the app to view any resources, you don't need any space. Storage space is not required. So look here, I am using web version, but you will be using mobile version. Little difference will be there. First thing is, see, I'm so happy to say first free resources is there. No, look at the number of students, 2862 students enrolled. And do you know this free resources batch was created 10 days back. Before 10 days this free resources batch was not there. So in 10 days 2862 students enrolled. Now there are so many other batches also. There will be around, if you see the screen, 16 batches are there on the top. 16 batches. So these 16 batches, CPA USA batch will be there, CMA batch will be there, ACCA batch will be there, CA final batches will be there. For example, next to free resources, you can see CA final, the ongoing batch. At present, CA final, new FR batch is going on. 101 students are there in that. And I have announced a new CA intermediate batch, which is not yet commenced, but already, some 14 students already enrolled for that. The classes will happen in the month of March. So today we are speaking about this free resources. So when you download this, you should join the batch. Free resources is the batch name. Okay, either you can request for joining, or when you download, automatically our admin will add you to this free resources batch, because this is available for everyone. Okay, so once you are added into the batch, you will get one SMS, you will get app notification that you are in. Now look here, see batch starting date. Can you see batch starting date? 11/2/2021, this one. 11/2/2021. That means 10 days back we started, and I'm so happy that we are able to pull around 3,000 students across India. And we have enrollments from Nepal and Sri Lanka also. We have so many students from Dubai also. So I'm pretty happy for that. So now this batch code is free cap. Batch code is free resources of Cap Classes, free cap. On the left hand side, can you see, because I am the admin, attendance, all these things will be there, announcements. Okay, in your app all this will not be there. Horizontally there will be some options. The main options here are, one is videos. You have 200 free videos uploaded here already. Now I will go into the videos. See, advanced accounting. If you click on advanced accounting, lecture 1, dissolution of partnership firm, then consolidation, you can see all these things. consolidation, consolidated financial statements, consolidation 1, 2, 3, RTPs, last minute revision lectures, accounting standards. These are, one folder in videos. Second folder is CA Final FR. If you are a final student, you can go to this. Exam tips and motivations, strategic management, audit and assurance, financial management, all the videos. Click financial management, you'll be surprised to see 41 free videos are there. 41 free videos. So similarly, auditing and assurance, if you see, you'll have around 50, 60, I'm sure 51 videos are there. All these videos you can, just look at them, read, write the notes. Notes is also available there. Okay, so accounting standards, so many accounting standards are also there. This is about video section. Now go to study material section. Very, very, very important. In study material section, accounting standards are there. When you click AS1, AS2, AS3, all the accounting standards are there. Then go back. If you are looking for CA Enter Auditing and Assurance, every chapter, CA Enter Auditing and Assurance, all the 14 chapters notes is there. If you are looking for IPCC Advanced Accounting, amalgamation, all these, banking companies, buyback of shares, buyback part 2, so all these things will be there. Cap classes, ESOP, okay, liquidation, all these things. Then go back. The most important folder among all these things is the last one, study plan and test series for May 2021. Very, very important. Open this. In that you can see, are you a new syllabus student or old syllabus student? Pawan sir, I am a new syllabus student or I am old syllabus student. Enter. Then here you can see study plans, you can see question papers, you can see answer papers. Subject wise, Pawan sir, I am having some fear in costing and financial management. For that, a separate folder is there. Law separate folder, taxation separate folder, advanced accounting separate folder, and then one integrated study plan come test series folder. When you open this integrated study plan come test series folder, it will be like this. On what day, which part, which subject you need to read. Clearly it mentions. For example, 28th, you need to read costing and financial management. Part 2. What is part 2? Non-integrated, job costing, batch costing, contract costing, operating costing, process and operation costing, joint products and byproducts. Full day, you need to read this. Like this, a plan is prepared. Now, Pawan sir, if I am a new syllabus student, go into new syllabus. Then you will see free test series, paid test series. You will see free test series, paid test series. 48 examinations absolutely free of cost. Question papers will be given to you. 50 marks examination. Every day question paper will be uploaded. Where question paper will be uploaded? Here. Question paper part 1. So when you click question paper part 1, this kind of questions will come. And you need to write the answer. If you are a paid series student, paid test series student, your answer paper will be evaluated by subject expert. You will get the evaluated answer sheet along with comments. If you are a free test series student, you need to do self-evaluation, but don't worry, suggested answers will be given to you. Suggested answers will be given to you. Pawan sir, I don't want to write exams. I want only study plan. Only study plans are also available in this only study plan. Questions and answers are there. Free and paid test series are there. So if you open this, how to read group 1, how to read group 2, how to read, how to integrate this study plan with test series, all these things are. Then the next one is in the options. I have covered videos, I have covered study materials, and then let us go to tests. If at all any test is there. Example I am showing you. Example. So I have opened one MCQ test. These tests are basically MCQ tests. This MCQ test, see the beauty here. This is called a leadership board. This is called leadership board. So a student by name Naveen got 40 out of 40. He got grade A and he got rank 1. So all the students who wrote the examination results will be published like this, so you can be more competitive. You can identify people. And another thing is like how you play video games, no? Online video games you play, like that you can challenge a person. So you are second ranker. So you can challenge the first person. So and so person sent a challenge to you. So it will improve this competitive spirit and all. So these kind of things are there, no? This is the analysis. So how many of the students are getting grade A? How many of students are getting grade B? This I will be able to say because I am the admin. Because I am the admin. And this everybody will be able to see leaderboard and rank cards. Everybody will be able to. Every day one MCQ test will be uploaded. You can write the test. So download the app, go to free resources batch. In videos, subject wise videos are given, 200 plus videos freely accessible. In study material section, you have all handwritten study notes, then short notes, and then you can also access to this study plans, test series question papers, answer papers, everything. And then in test section, this is the test section. When you go to test section, you can write MCQ exam. So remember, study material folder is for question papers, answer papers and study plans. Videos is for video lectures. Test is for MCQ contest. All these are free. Soon we'll be coming with live classes. Live class option is also there. Pawan sir, live class. Soon I'll be giving free live classes also. I will announce you when I'm going to, give this free live classes. I hope you enjoy and you utilize this opportunity. And and another thing is, there is one chat box also. In the chat box, you can interact with people. There will be a chat box. So you can post your doubts. People will respond. That is actually a very good thing. 2,600 people will be there. You can share your knowledge. You can share your doubts, everything in the chat box. So I hope you utilize this opportunity. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the very best. Subscribe to CAP Classes. Keep watching for more updates. And in this app also, every day new videos and new, question papers and MCQ test will come. Keep watching. God bless you. Thank you.